Good day everyone. Today I will show you how to connect your Parrot Disco to this dashboard without using your Sky controller to eventually fly it. First we will go to the app.parrotdisco.dl and on here we can make a new account. For testing I will just make a test account, so my name will be tested my website and put in a password that I not forget. And I'll declare that I will use the software in accordance with the law and I'm aware of the software is in the testing phase. Therefore errors may occur for which I will not blame the software author. So keep in mind this is an experimental software. So now that we've made an account, we can use this to log in. And in here you'll see everything that you need. So first we will go to the settings. And here it will ask you which ID you want to use. So for now we'll just use test 54-2023. The Zerotier network ID. So in Zerotier it's this one. I already connected my Parrot Disco, which is online right now. And I will copy the network ID, paste it in here. The Disco IP address, paste it in here. And I will find my latitude, longitude and the elevation. So I'm located in the Netherlands and I mostly fly from here. So this will be my coordinates and it's 9 meters high. So we'll go back, latitude, longitude, that will be 9 meters. And then I save everything. So now that I saved everything, we can go to deploy and select your region. So for me, Amsterdam is the closest. So we'll create the server. And now it's got a receive deploy request. And let's see how long it will take. Deploying in progress. And this will take around 3 minutes. So meanwhile, we should see this at another server in here. I will pause the stream for now and then I will be right back. So a few minutes later, I think the server has been deployed now. So we can see here a new address came up, so we can out it. Then press the wrench and allow Ethernet bridging. New IP will be assigned to it. Let's copy this IP address and see if we can reach it. Yeah. Or from here we can go to here and it will also go here directly. So from here, for now, Since this is in the test phase, we can enter test in here to use for the authentication token. This will allow it that you can take it off and control the drone while connecting to it. As you can see, got authorized by token. And now we are connected to the drone. So we can see the speed is 0. And since it's inside the building, it has 0 satellites, 43% battery percentage. And on here we can see all stuff which is relevant. Like this drone had 464 flights. My storage is full, I need to empty it. How many delay there is to the drone. It's only 27 milliseconds now, which is really good. Health status. So it will check for the pilot tube, magnetometer, IMU, barometer, ultrasonic, GPS, magnetometer, vertical camera, and the flight plan availability. And since it doesn't have a GPS lock now, it will be bad. From here, if you have a GPS fix, you can press this button here over here to take it off. And I will show you that later in another video. For now I will just show you this, and hopefully you can deploy your own instance and play around with this. I wish you good luck and see you in the next video.